My wife don't tap me. Hey, I don't know whether I'm going to flip them. My mama, I don't follow we can go. My papa, I don't follow we can go. If you see my mama, tell her, I don't follow we can go. If you see my papa, tell her, I don't follow we can go. My mama, oh. Microphone. My mama, I don't follow we go. My papa, I don't follow we go. If you see my mama, we don't follow we go. I said, my papa, we don't follow we go. Mama, we don't follow we go. My papa, we don't follow we go. If you see my mama, we don't follow we go. This boat where on a follow. They know they abandon who follow them. Oh. By their fruit we shall. By their fruit we shall. Yes. 2019, and I know the story. All prayer people where I come, they say, yes. I don't know, say they know the person. I just feel my friend. But my people know and pass me. They throw hand for my ear. They throw hand for my ear, no grief. So I go follow my friend. Now I follow and finish 5 years. Now we follow so. But today, nothing. But that's not why we are here. We still need them. We need them because Governor Doye did it. His Excellency, with all due respect, who I work with, is the first governor in the South that is a direct beneficiary of the magnanimity of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Every other governor for South, they hope, say President Tinubu go help them. Now hope, faith, but our own don't already receive the help for last election. You don't receive them. You're not supposed to be the first person wait for their front. Support for. Now, Bayelsa day last. Bayelsa day last. Delta, don't go. Akwa Ibom, don't go. Cross River, they with Tinubu. River State, they beg for life. Edo, they with Tinubu. Bayelsa will not know where they go. Not be failure of leadership. Ungratefulness is a disease. I stop here, no go talk. But why they go shoot our people? Life bullet for here. Moku reserve, we never reach campaign. We never reach. So I want to formally call on Governor Doye Diri's Excellency to immediately declare his stance on 2027 presidency known, so that Bayelsans can know where we are going to. If he's supporting Tinubu, let him come out and tell us that he's supporting President Tinubu. If he wants to align for any other benefit, let him tell us that he wants to align. Then we will decide whether we'll follow him to align or will not follow him to align. But the leader that have openly said he will support Tinubu is Chief Dr. Yesom Ezenwa. And we have come today to say that we are behind the wicked. So if our governor tomorrow say he's supporting Tinubu, we'll work with him. We will work with him. If he says he's not going to support Tinubu, we will galvanize Bayelsans to deliver Tinubu. Because fall for me, I fall for you. Now be play, now be. Yeah. I thank you for your support and prayers. This day would not have been possible if not for your support. Thank you for standing by us. When we were looking at bringing people, we didn't have money. The interest and everybody wanted to be here. And I have seen that you made yourself available here. May God bless you. I want to thank those who stand with me. Elvis, Dr. Mazar, the former NYC president. Dr. Newton Fubara in Ghana. Former NYC spokesperson, Epilada Kalefe. And so many others, known and unknown, who have stepped out to say we must change the narrative for Bayelsa for the better. I thank them. May God bless you. As you move back home, no harm will come your way.